Hi everyone and welcome back to Skin Talks with Katie. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about corneotherapy. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I just want to say hello again. It's been a few weeks since I last uploaded. I'm pleased that you're here and welcome. If you're new, I'm Katie. I am a skin therapist here in the UK and I specialise in non-invasive and holistic skincare treatments and home products. Today's video is what my skincare business is based on, and that is corneotherapy. And the reason why this is so important to you as a viewer is because it's all about the health of your skin. You may have an issue or a problem that you are looking to resolve and coming to YouTube to find it. Corneotherapy will help you to understand your skin health because it's all about protecting and nourishing the outermost layer of your skin, which is known as the stratum corneum. It's the way that I sort of help people to understand this a little bit clearer is to think of your skin like a house, and a house with, it has 4 walls, it has a roof, it has floorboards and carpets, and it has furniture, and in those floorboards there are pipework and pipework for central heating, pipework for plumbing, and it's kind of like the engine room of your house. It keeps clean water coming in, it takes dirty water away, it keeps your house nice and warm. Now that roof has to be intact, it has to be properly maintained so that no rain or dirt, dust is going to get into your house. One is going to cause problems down your walls, into your floorboards, eventually and into your pipework, affecting everything, affecting the systems in your house. Secondly, it's going to make you uncomfortable, you're going to get cold, you may catch a cold, and that is exactly like your skin. Weatherproof tiles is your skin barrier. Carpets are your deeper layers of your skin. Underneath the floorboards, the pipework that serves your plumbing and heating is your blood vessels and your lymphatic drainage. Just like in the house, you have clean water coming into your house and the used water gets taken away. It's exactly like your lymphatic system. It's there to drain toxins away and to filter out the good from the bad. So if your roof is leaking, you might get a bucket to begin with, and you might think, okay, let's suss it out. Let's see where this leak is coming from. But you wouldn't rip up your floorboards straight away or your carpet straight away and replace them, because the leak is still there. It's not been repaired. So the problem is just going to get worse and worse. So you would repair the roof first. Hopefully you would repair the roof first. You'd repair that leak. After your roof is repaired, the internals of your house will then also start to repair itself. The walls will dry out eventually. The carpets will dry out. The next step is to replace like the furniture that may have got damaged. If you think of the health of your skin like a house, and your skin barrier is that weatherproof tiled roof, if something is going wrong with your skin, probably had issues within your skin barrier. And when I start with treatments with my clients, I will always look to repair that roof. And I always sort of say that we seal before we heal. So we seal the roof and we seal that leak, and then we can start to look at healing and, getting the internals of the house, internals of your skin working in balance, in homeostasis, and everything will then start to, figure itself out, and you'll start to see your skin at its healthiest. And I really try to understand what's going on internally as well as externally, because your skin is an organ and it responds to everything. So corneotherapists will look at the whole kind of 360, but with a particular emphasis on your skin barrier and your stratum corneum. That is corneotherapy in a nutshell. I hope this has helped today. If you've got any questions, please get in touch with me. Leave some comments below, and I will see you on the next Skin Talks with Katie.